Hello everyone, if you're having bad performance in Fortnite's Chapter 7, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that bad performance problem on Chapter 7 of Fortnite easily. So first off, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, you're going to go into app data and then you're going to go into local, you're going to search the folder called Fortnite game here, you're going to go into saved, config, Windows client, and here you're going to right click on this folder, uncheck read only, click apply, click OK here, click OK again, open game user settings.ini in notepad, and here you're going to find the text called D3D.RHI preference. You're going to set PreferredRHI to DX12, you're going to set r.PerformanceMode to 1, and in the PreferredFeatureLevel, you're going to write here ES11. I'm going to put this whole text into the description of the video so you can just copy it from there and paste this into your game user settings.ini file. And after that, you're going to go ahead and click save on here, right click on your folder again, make sure it is set to read only now, and then you can go ahead and play Fortnite and you'll see that you will not get those stutters anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.